numbers क्योंकि अभी मुंबई मैराथन हुआ था तो मुझे लगा नहीं था कि इतने सारे लोग वापस आएंगे और पुमा की तरफ से रनर्स try and make at least the entire much fitter place because India as a country has the ability to get far more fitter. A pair of sneakers is what you need. और सबसे ज़रूरी बात ये है that you know once you become a runner, you're going to be a runner for life. So turning your alarm clock off when it's actually ringing. So I'm hoping that. I've been associated with the shaving brand for almost 6 years now, so I will have to say clean shaving brand. Stage who's finished 5K in like 22 minutes. So what does running mean to me? Yeah, right now it just means nothing except I should go hide my face somewhere because my time is way worse than his. But yes, for me, you know, it started off as a way of staying fit, and now it's just become a part of my life. I have some really wonderful people who add to my running and improving my skills every day as a runner. I've had good days, I've had bad days, but the thing is I've never had a day where I want to give up. So running is definitely a part of my life and it's going to be. And that's one of the reasons I'm here, and I'm sure that all of you in the audience would agree that it's just, it's a different kind of high that can't be explained. You know, I think Runners for Life and Puma together have done a really fabulous job. And मेरे हिसाब से running is something that is the only form of exercise where you cannot make an excuse because there are roads everywhere. Everybody owns a great pair of sneakers, or it's a fabulous way of making the world a much more fitter place. It's if you do it properly, it's injury free. It's something that motivates you. You beat your own targets every time. और अगर आप बात करें कि मैं हर जगह इससे closely associated हूँ because I myself consider myself as a runner. Today I have not run because I'm not a part of any corporate. There was no Bollywood team running, नहीं तो मैं उनके साथ ही भाग लेती. But I'm just you know, this is something that a lot of people associate themselves to causes. For me, my cause is fitness, and the one thing that I do to stay fit is run. Absolutely. My dream as a child was to walk in the Olympic squad. Unfortunately, I never got the opportunity to do so. I ended up becoming an actor. I've always grown up watching sport. I'm very close to sport, and you know, I have a lot of respect for athletes. And for today, for me, at the Puma Stampede, everyone is an athlete in their own right. And you know, it's not about winning or losing. It's about giving it your best. So, मेरे हिसाब से it's one of the most rewarding experiences to reach the finish. I don't think I can comment too much on my upcoming movies. We're here talking about running and runners, so we'll stick to that.